Keep up your home with upkeep. Keep up your home with upkeep. Keep up your home with upkeep, and you'll have a happy home.
Can you hear it? Oh. Okay, we're gonna redo that. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, I found it. Boom.
Keep up your home with
Nope,
upkeep.
nope,
Keep
nope,
up
nope,
your home
nope,
with
nope, nope.
upkeep. Keep up
Forgot
your
to start the
home
video.
with upkeep.
But hello, I am Taylor. I'm just gonna be touching on some things that you may already know, but it's something I love to talk about. So obviously we do maintenance with our home warranty. Still moving. Finally got the music to work. So we used to what? What did we used to do? Okay. Something that we do that's really special is called maintenance minutes. So along with, but yeah, that's something great that we do as well. Well, during each visit, obviously they're gonna do their regular maintenance items, but they do something that's, they shouldn't take this many takes. Maintenance minutes. And those are super important because what we do in the maintenance minutes, I don't want to say that.
Keep up your home with upkeep. Keep up your home with upkeep, and you'll have a...
That's just another great thing that Upkeep does that no one else does. Really? See how I get